So yesterday we did Fern Ridge.
In AOAA.
Yeah.
Pottsville, Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania.
Cole Township.
Cole Township.
So maybe 10 minutes into the trail,
He decided to do black. And I decided to follow him. It was 121A, trail 121A.
so we ended up with a broken rear axle shaft.
Totally sheared it right completely off, actually. It was not good.
So he was able to complete the rest of the trail, 3-wheel drive. And then,
Finished trail, got a little badge that they give you for Jeep.
Yep. And then drove to where? Wilkes-Barre?
Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, about an hour north on 81 North.
Yeah. Picked up a new driver's side
And
shaft.
a place called Motor World. You should check it out if you get a chance. It's an amazing little facility.
Little.
It was huge. It had every car dealership in the world.
So we removed the broken shaft. The splines were actually stuck in the locker. We had to tear the whole rear end, get the carrier and locker out, and then had to completely disassemble the locker.
And we're talking, we had to go to Harbor Freight to buy tools because we didn't have the right stuff. It was pretty rad, pretty amazing situation to do on the back of a trailer.
Yeah, we did it on the back of the trailer in the parking lot of the hotel, countryside.
I cooked steaks, and he got the sheared off spline shaft out of the rear locker. And this morning we went back to Harbor Freight to get some more tools to put it all back together again. And here we are, day 2.
Now we're back at AOAA, and we're headed for Barney Rubble, which is another new badge of honor trail.
And it works.
The locker works. All right. We got them all.
Okay, all the kids are strapped in good.
Oh yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
one's asleep already.
Oh yeah. Hey, you're not. Put your seatbelt on.
All right, just enjoy yourself out there.
Thanks a lot.
Oh,
Huge haul trucks.
what are those two?
Giant dump trucks. They're literally, they go exactly like this.
I just don't know if I can make it through if I keep going straight. Looks like the trees are tight.
Oh, alright. Well, whatever you want to do.
Alright. I agree.
So that side is the what they used to call the hardest stuff.
I can't get through here.
Come this way.
It's legitimately, I cannot get through. And I don't think I can cut over now. I should have stuck with my gut. I think I'm going to back up a little bit and try to come this way, but now I got a tree tight against my hood, my house.
You can't go up and go. I can't see. Hang on a second.
Did I fit through that?
I'd really like to come up through here. I like this. This looks sick.
I mean,
I just hit something really solid. Stop me dead.
I don't want to.
You want help?
I am really contemplating this, but I think I should just go over there.
You do what you do, bro.
I know, I'm just gonna be mad if I don't do it, but I also don't want to get boogered up in here for 2 hours. It looks like I can do it. There's just a lot of
right
different.
where you're standing is like the sketchiest spot.
Well, so I'm just gonna come around and come in right here. I feel like I should have cut back through across there. No, you go right up where that tree's busted off the back end.
No, I'm dedicated now to finish Bam Bam all the way up to the main trailhead. Yeah, I'm earning it. Yesterday I failed my badge. I made it, but I didn't make it. Don't say a word. I need a sandwich. Okay, you cleared it. You had your ass in, bud.
No, you can't get up that. Gordy, it's like this. The rock you're on. Okay.
Like now that you're up here, you turn driver and come this way. About a foot more this way, hard. Okay, now back up, turning driver. A little bit, dude, just a little bit. Your rear tire on this side is going to stay on that rock. This one's going to drop. It's going to get a little tilty. Don't turn driver, brother. Not too much. Stay up. Right there. Straight. Straight. Yup. I don't know what you want to do from here, but I'm thinking this center line right up the middle. Do you want me to back up a little bit?
We enjoyed a few more trails at AOAA, and then we headed back to the hotel. The parking lot repair from last night held up, so Craig and Gordy were both pretty excited about that. We then loaded up to head back to Vermont. But it's only a few weeks until we make the long drive from Vermont to Tennessee to check out Windrock again. Stay tuned.